Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use bubble gun liquid. First, always select a good quality bubble solution. This makes a huge difference in bubble size and durability. Next, make sure your bubble gun is clean and free of any old, dried residue. A quick wipe down can prevent clogs and ensure smooth operation. Finally, we'll cover the correct method for filling your gun's reservoir to avoid spills and maximize bubble production. Now let's get to filling. Most bubble guns have a clearly marked reservoir, often at the front or bottom. Gently open the cap and slowly pour your chosen bubble solution into the opening. Be careful not to overfill it, as this can lead to leaks and messy play. Once filled, securely close the cap to prevent any spills while you're making bubbles. With your gun filled, it's time for some bubbly fun. Always point the bubble gun away from people's faces and eyes before pressing the trigger. A steady press will give you a consistent stream of bubbles. For bigger, more impressive bubbles, try moving the gun gently in a sweeping motion as you press the trigger. This technique helps the bubbles form and detach beautifully. To keep your bubble gun in top condition, always clean it after each use. Rinse the reservoir and any bubble-making parts with clean water to prevent solution from drying and clogging. Store any unused bubble solution in an airtight container for future fun. Also, for a fresh car, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your bubble-filled adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.